The two things people are most worried about when it comes to YouTube is money and growth. But what if I said that you don't need to grow a YouTube channel to make money on YouTube? What if you can make money from YouTube with 0 subscribers? Hello, I'm Alan, I'm your YouTube certified expert, and today we're going to tackle exactly that, how you can make money from YouTube with a small YouTube channel with even 0 subscribers. Now, over the last few weeks, I've been teaching you how you can grow your channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, and in the coming weeks, I'm going to show you how I started a YouTube channel and monetized a YouTube channel. That means that it got 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time in around about 3 months. But if your channel's not big enough to get monetized by YouTube, it doesn't mean that this means no money for you. Just tackle a few of these things. 1. Services, affiliate, direct links. Why is this such a long word, Alan? Why services, affiliates, and direct links? I'm trying to split this up into many things so you can understand the layers of things. A service affiliate direct link means a link to a service. For example, I optimized my YouTube videos with a wonderful plugin called vidIQ. vidIQ.com/𝗖𝗍cie. This is a direct call to something that is useful to me and to my audience, and therefore something that adds value to you, and in the long run is something that you would trust me to promote. I tripled the size of my channel last year. That's 3-fold growth only by using vidIQ. No, this isn't a promoted video. I'm just pointing out that this is a very good synergistic example of a services-based direct affiliate link. You trust me. I've told you my story. I've pointed to an affiliate link that connects to a service, something that has ongoing intrinsic value, something that you would buy and connect to your business or your YouTube channel and use on a regular basis. It's completely free to sign up to most affiliate programs. In fact, the point is for you to make money with them, for them, and share in that profit. So if you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, optimize your titles, descriptions, maximize your thumbnail potential, pick the tags, find the right video ideas, then vidIQ.com/𝗖𝗍cie is a good example of this. The way this works is every time you click on that link and go and sign up, that is then accredited to me. And should you go off and buy the premium version, then I'll get a small slice of that. That goes with anything. I do the same with Rev, I do the same with Licked. Rev is for subtitles, Licked is for, audio, backing tracks. You can use story blocks for videos. Me creating content, pushing towards a service that is relevant and helpful for the audience. 2. Direct product link. Service, something ongoing, a software. Product, something physical, something individual. Let's say you have something to sell. A t-shirt, a mug, fancy unique things on Etsy. Maybe you make fantastic handcrafted cross-stitch kits. This is where you can make videos to promote that. Whether you are showing that specific product, where you're reviewing that product, whether you're teaching people how to make that product or how that product can help their life, how it could look on a wall. A direct product link is exactly that. I talk about that thing, there is a link to that thing, you go and buy that thing. 3. Blog enrichment. So, you may not have a huge YouTube channel, but you might have a growing blog. This is where you can use the power of YouTube to enrich a blog, make it rank higher, and then sell products that way. Basically, the way the search algorithm works is very similar to the YouTube algorithm. Anything that has kind of cross links or backlinks kind of lifts it over time. That's why when Jake Paul was being stupid and it was reported in the mainstream media, it would lift his channel because they would link to him being an idiot, and then that would get his video authority and it would rise to the top, getting him more views, getting him more reports because he's a non-stop increasing circle of stupidity. But you can leverage this for your own blog. Blogs, if they were just boring text, get looked at in a certain way. If it's boring text, if it's text and some images, it's deemed slightly more user-friendly and therefore ranks a little bit better than just plain text. And you got it. If there's a video, it's ranked even higher. Why? Because you'll be reading that blog, watching that video, it gives you longer retention time on that page, reduces bounce rate, and therefore that blog post is deemed more quality. The better the quality, the higher it ranks. The higher it ranks, the more traffic it gets. And if you sprinkle links or products around that, that can earn you money. So you're leveraging the power of YouTube video to hook people in here, or enriching the blog post over there to overall pulling people in getting them to sign up to your mailing list, getting them to check out your affiliate links or any of the adverts that are placed against them. Bearing in mind that adverts on a blog don't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, so you don't need to be YouTube monetized to have blog adverts against your video. 4. First mover product reviews. You don't have to be Marcus Brownlee to jump in on the advantage of going to the moon on a brand new product. Whether it's my old friend Travis from vidIQ who reviews loads of tech, or whether it happens to be my friend 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝘁 who covers musical random reviews, there he is putting on headphones and talking about things. First mover advantage doesn't necessarily need to be a physical hands-on thing. You could be talking about the hype of the new Apple iPhone 20. Having a look at the features, having a look at the functionality, having a look at the specifications inside, talking about when this new game will launch, talking about this new platform, this new games console. If you're talking about something that is generating hype that is not even out yet, you have the advantage that none of those keywords existed before you started making those videos. So you may have just seen the breaking news that there's a new God of War video game, and if you're the first one to make a video on that God of War video game, even if it's predictions or suggestions or its development cycle or where the copyrights happen to be, first mover advantage means that you could dominate those keywords and key search terms. That's how I take advantage on my own crypto channel, Crypto Rookie, link in the description and the kind of iCard. I have a look at crypto news, I talk about the crypto news the instant it arrives. That advantage of first mover means that I can hop on those keywords before anybody else has started searching them properly and I get lots of views. But if you're talking about a product before it shows up and then you go out and find affiliate links that you can put in the description or have some kind of arrangement with that company, that gives you the chance of jumping up. So maybe you're talking about the new Netflix film that's coming out that you're really excited about, try and find some kind of Netflix affiliate scheme. Maybe you're talking about the best new book from 𝗘𝘃𝗲𝘁 Vaynerchuk, then you can link to it on Audible and that kind of thing. Once again, you don't have to have a huge audience to be talking about these things. You don't need to be monetized on your channel specifically. You just need to be enjoying the hype enough to push them over to somewhere. 5. Niche product reviews. Pick a niche, any niche, and dive into it. Once again, I'm going to refer to my friend 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗁 who sits there and listens to audio devices. He's dedicated to the quality of audio. Something that I clearly am not because I'm right next to a main road and sometimes my audio sucks donkey bollocks. But if you become an expert in the thing that you love truly and talking about a specific product, you can then push to those products on, say, Amazon or links directly to that manufacturer. For example, I was a Boy Scout when I was a kid and I really love camping in my heart. So not only did I start a download festival fan page on Facebook that now has about 60,000 followers, but I could make videos on camping. Then push people to suggestions like, this is the best 2-person tent, 3-person tent, 4-person tent for a family, here's the best torch. Campsites throughout the UK, campsites throughout the world, places that you must do, camping rules, camping hacks, linking it to a blog. If you're able to review those niche products, then you may be able to explode your channel based on the information that you are providing. You combine it with the first mover advantage in the last point, and you might be able to skyrocket not only through the hype, but through an affiliate link and becoming dominant in that key term before it even exists. 6. Sell your expertise. I am a YouTube certified expert. I've been on YouTube for about 8, 9, 10 years now. Combined over 2 YouTube channels, I personally have over 40,000 subscribers. 1 channel dedicated to teaching YouTube, 1 channel that I've grown to nearly 6,000-7,000 subscribers in nearly 3 months. I have a blog which I've grown from scratch last year from 0 to 22,000 page views per month. I directly consult with clients and teach them how to grow their business, their brand, to expand on social media, and I didn't need to be monetized to go full-time on YouTube. I went full-time on YouTube at 3,000 subscribers. The money that I was making from YouTube was like pennies, which meant I couldn't rely on that to fund my business. But at 3,000 subscribers, I was able to work from home, make this my full-time job. Why? Because I was selling everything else outside YouTube monetization. Services, direct affiliate links, direct product reviews, blog video enhancements to rank them higher. Taking first mover advantage and promoting products in a niche took me to being a full-time YouTuber. And then I sell that expertise and knowledge to consulting clients, all to make money with 0 subscribers. If you need help to grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, there's a playlist here. If you want to see how much I earn on a regular basis from this YouTube channel alone, there's a video here.